Welcome to a rare riverfront retreat, perfectly situated for amazing Willamette River views and a boat dock so every day can feel like a getaway. Tucked away on over an acre in the desirable Butteville area of Aurora, this exceptional property offers the kind of privacy, peace, and beauty that's hard to find and even harder to leave. The expansive property is complete with a large 30 by 40 foot shop and is surrounded by gorgeous, mature landscaping. Head inside to a grand vaulted entry with cherry hardwood floors and a wall of windows framing that ever-changing river view and inviting deck ideal for summer dinners. The kitchen is a cook's dream, remodeled with custom cherry cabinetry, designed for easy conversation, and includes thoughtful features like a Jenner cooktop, warming drawer, and an appliance garage. Also on the main level, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms and a beautifully remodeled bathroom with a walk-in shower. Upstairs, your vaulted primary suite opens to your own private deck overlooking the gardens and river below. It feels like a luxury retreat, complete with a spa-like bath and 2 walk-in closets. Down the lighted steps, head to your private dock and boat lift, installed for smooth, easy access to the river anytime you please. Outside, mature landscaping wraps the home in color, from slate pathways and lush lawns to roses, hydrangeas, and towering fir trees. Every inch of this property has been lovingly maintained. And for the hobbyist or outdoor enthusiast, an insulated shop offers endless possibilities. With 3 bays, concrete floors, heat, and electricity, there's room for your boat, tools, or next big project. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape or a full-time sanctuary, this one-of-a-kind riverfront home offers the perfect balance of comfort, style, and connection to nature.